Pour bien dire, nous sommes capables de dire, le terrain sapit là, longtemps, c'est pas de consulter. Il était plus boisé. La pluie était tombée facile parce que était bien bois. Mais quand il y a la pluie pas tombée. Pour quelle raison? Parce que pas de bois, pas de pied bois. Ils ont coupé tout pied bois. Il y a pas quand il y a même bête. Boucara ça a été chargé bois. Mais ils ont coupé au fait charbon.
Broadly caused by human activities, such as deforestation or intensive agriculture, desertification is connected to worldwide ecological and social issues, such as soil degradation, water scarcity and drought, food insecurity, and even climate change. Desertification is consuming our planet, forcing the people to leave their homes because they can't sustain themselves. To reverse the accelerating impact of land degradation and to empower communities to become more resilient to climate change, OneAction, Sadhana Forest and their partners are collaborating to develop a novel and highly cost and carbon-effective reforestation model in arid and drought-prone areas.
So we are now in Samburu County in northern Kenya, and this location is one of the locations of the global project of reforestation in India, Haiti and Kenya. The intention here is to plant trees like the one behind me, food producing trees around people's homes. You can see the home just behind me, and to provide food security for local people. The idea is to create self-sufficiency and to improve the nutritional status of people. People here are severely malnourished, and this project could contribute to the environment as well as to the health and well-being of the people.
In the three countries, mobile reforestation units will travel in remote areas from one village to another, offering reforestation trainings and indigenous tree seedlings to farmers and their families, accompanying them in planting and caring for the trees on their own land. Working hand in hand with the University of Lausanne, they will use the latest findings on biogeochemical research to select particularly drought-resistant and soil-regenerating trees called oxalogenic trees. These trees contribute to mitigating climate change effectively, since they sequester atmospheric carbon into the ground as limestone, which has a much longer residence time than organic carbon. In addition, this process increases the pH levels of the soil, countering toxicity and efficiently fighting soil degradation. Based on Sadhana Forest's 15 years of experience in the creation of food forests with local communities, the mobile reforestation teams will offer simple and accessible agroforestry and water conservation techniques to participants. This optimizes tree growth and survival rates, as well as food and water access over the long term. Local aquifers will be replenished, allowing villagers to benefit from the natural supply of water, rather than depending on commuting water from far away. Both the reforestation and the water conservation installations will tackle desertification and accelerate biodiversity regeneration.
These trees helped us a lot. They give us firewood, some give us fruits, like this moringa now. My moringa is having 4 years. When I prepare my meals, I usually put these leaves of moringa tree because it's having a lot of vitamins.
We believe that our choice of particularly drought-resistant, food-producing and carbon-sequestering indigenous tree species, combined with efficient sustainable agroforestry techniques and an ownership-based model, can provide a novel and impactful solution. This model, as well as our scientific findings, will be shared with universities, NGOs, and other actors involved in reforestation efforts in order to maximize the impact worldwide. We hope that in all arid corners of the world, local people will be empowered to change the fate of their land and of their lives.